our objective for today? Let me see. We are listening. Okay? So first you're going to listen to Miss Torres. Yes, you have your ears. And then you're going to repeat it. Ready?
Yes.
Okay. For today, I can listen to and pronounce the in English. So we're going to work with the letter H, and the sound is going to be
English.
okay. Listen. I can recognize that the H is not the same in English and Spanish. So we have the letter H. Okay? In English, the letter H sounds like, in Spanish,
Calladito.
silent. Listen. I can recognize that the letter H looks the same in English and Spanish. Are we ready?
Yes.
If you're ready, you're going to say, I'm ready, teacher.
I'm ready, teacher.
So the H. So we're going to pronounce that sound. Okay? What's the letter? Letter? What's the letter? A. What's the letter? What's the letter? What's the letter? The letter is H. But the sound is first. You need to have a little bit open. You need to keep your tongue at the corner. You're going to breathe out a puff of air. Can we try it? Let me see. Who's ready? Let's see. One more time. 1, 2, 3. Last time.
1, 2, 3.
Okay. Now, you're going to hold your hand. Show me your hand. Show me your hand. In front of your mouth, right here. Okay? And we're going to do it 3 times. Ready? 1. You're not ready.
1, 2, 3.
And you feel the air?
Yeah.
You feel it?
Yeah.
You're doing it. Okay. Let's do this one.
Horse.
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 Like a horse.
Horse.
Okay.
Horsey. Horsey.
So we have a horse. And it's a happy horse. It is happy?
Yeah.
Why?
Because
Raise your hand.
it's smiling.
It's smiling. It's showing what?
His teeth.
Very good. Rodrigo?
It's showing two teeth.
Si está feliz porque se ve como si estuviera sonriendo.
Very good.
1, 2,
We
3.
have a shout. Are we ready?
Yes.
Okay. Horse, horse.
Horse, horse.
I ride it, of course.
I ride it a horse.
Horse, horse.
Horse, horse.
I ride it, of course.
I ride it a horse.
Who wants to try it? Let's see. Luis. coming to be the letter H. Okay? Do you know anyone? Okay, so let's read it. House. Horse. Helicopter. Hand. Hand. So those are words that begins with the letter. With the letter. With the letter. And let's do the sounds one more time. 1, 2, 3. 1,
2, 3.